Kung Fu Fighting by Carl Douglas. Really rad song. Love this song. Just total 70s funk. Got the cool Asian vibe to it. All that stuff. Funny. Gotta love it. And this will just be like a really cool exercise in like funk strumming, and got a little like wah in there. And we even get to put in a little kind of like Asian pentatonic scales there. Because I'll be transcribing the flute, those little flute riffs for you. Because those like really make the song. Alright, so it just starts off with just that kind of big intro. And it's just two chords. The whole song is basically two chords. The bridge will throw in an extra chord there, but it's just going to be bouncing around between the D and an E minor. Okay? And that's basically the intro is, you just hit that D chord, let it ring for 4 measures. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know the part. Okay, and then we switch to the E minor. Same deal. All right, and during the intro and the choruses, you can do the little flute riffs too. So I'll get to those for you. Okay, so these cool little things will come in, and it's it's that real iconic, generic kind of like Asian riff, and it's going to be up here at 7 on the E, and we're just going to hit that 4 times real quick. Okay, down to 5, hit that twice. Down to 2, a couple times, and then back up to 5. So you know it now. Kind of like turning Japanese, you know the song. And then the second part is kind of a little descending scale here. It's really fun to play. It's basically just in a little pentatonic here for the E minor. Okay, so we're going to start it off at the 3 on the E, and we're just going to go 3, 2, 3. Okay, then we do 2, open 2. Then we do open E to 3 on the B to open E. And then just finish it with 2 open Bs. Okay. Alright. So you get it now, and these play in the intro and during the choruses. A lot of fun. All right, and for the guitar chords in the chorus, the trick here is during the chorus, you play each of these chords for 2 measures. But once we switch to the verse, it kind of just does half it. We only do each chord for 1 measure. Okay, so we're going to play it up here because they're funk chords, so we kind of want this higher voicing of them. All right. It's going to be the D, of course, so it's just D and E minor, like I said earlier. But we're going to slide into this, and we're just going to kind of play part of it, the D, G, and B strings of it. Okay, so we just kind of bar the 6th fret, and we just slide up a fret to the 7 to get to that D. And then we just kind of hit a dead string sound. Okay. And then we just hit it once more. Dead string sound. And then once more. Okay, so it's just kind of getting some like short little choppy bits of it. Getting the timing on that. And you don't have to, be terribly precise with this. You can just kind of keep it loose and just keep it funky, put as much dead string noise in there as you want if you just want to just keep the strumming going, whatever sounds cool to you. But basically, it's going like this. Okay. But like I said, if you want to get a little funkier with it, you can just kind of, it depends on how funky you want to get. Okay, so that's the first couple measures on the chorus, and then we're going to slide up to an E minor. Okay, so in the same type of deal where we find our E minor, but we start a measure below it because we're going to slide into it. Okay, so we would start at, what would be an E flat minor shape here on the, and like I said, just worrying about the D, G, and B strings. So we're just kind of doing 8, 8, and 7, and then just sliding that up to the 9, 9, and 8. And strumming pattern, same deal, same thing as the D. Alright, so then you just put that together. Alright, and then it'll get into the verse, and like I said, it's the same progression, it's just each chord is only half as long. Okay, so you just be going from the D to the E minor, but it would just be like this. Alright, now the bridge comes along, and it just kind of throws in a new chord instead of the D. So we pretty much play it the same style. It's just we're doing a B minor instead of the D. So we go B minor, and then we go to the E minor. And I like to play the B minor here, just because it's close to that E minor shape. You just bar the 7, and then 9 and 9 on the A and D. And with this, we're going to want to kick on the wah pedal. And I'll leave a link for you in the description for the wah pedal I use here, Crybaby. And we're just going to want to be just going back and forth, up, down, up, down, up, down on that, just so it's that on time with it, like quarter notes. Okay, and it's more chorus timing, so each chord is 2 measures. Okay, so like I said, kick on that wah, and we're going to want to be strumming this just going along with the wah, so just up, down, up, down. Okay, and then to the E minor. Alright, and just throughout, the verses and chorus, you also can hear just some more wah, like a second guitar just doing some little wah stuff, where it's just kind of hitting some dead string noises, but then kicking the wah while it does it. So it's just kind of like, just throwing in little flourishes like that, like every, at the end of every verse or chorus. It's a little thing you can throw in there too. Thanks for checking out the video, everybody. Like it, share it, leave a comment. It's always good to hear from you. Do me a favor and hit the subscription button. I put out a video pretty frequent, so you don't want to miss out on that. Check out the links in the description box below. I have really cool links for tablature books, all the gear I use, t-shirts, fun stuff like that. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.